Hello everybody. So we are off-roading today. We're just gonna go up Shovelnose Mountain. Rory's here. Rory, say hi. We're just off the Coquihalla here, and we just finished airing down. Kelly is with us. We're actually going to be out for a trip for a little while because we're going to stay overnight somewhere out here. We've got some food and some goodies to do. We've never been out here, so I don't know what it's going to be like. It's kind of crazy to see because there was a fire up here this summer, and all behind me here the trees are all burnt, and there's some more dead burnt trees up behind me. The road is definitely a lot easier than what we thought it was gonna be. It's actually like super groomed, but that could just be because, well, we did see a sign when we first came in that it's active, and it's a Saturday, so I don't expect to see anything today, but that could be part of it, but it's also a different terrain than what we're used to, so it's hard to say exactly why it's so nice. Just 5K mark now. As I said, forest fires this summer. This was all on fire this summer. Just crazy to think that our whole area around here is totally different if we had come through here before all this. Like I said, absolutely wild just what we get to see here because of forest fires.